warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Sorry, let a glance info is back. In front of you which will present the hostnet and most trusted. Now with me, Nurrahmadina Oktaviani. Let's look at the news of the Congress of the Sendra Tasik Education Study Program Associasi AP2 Seni with the theme The Paradigm of Independent Learning in Education and the Millennial Era of Art Creators. That is, paradigma merdeka belajar dalam pendidikan dan penciptaan era milenial. Okay, we will connect you with our partner Shopee and Widya.
Thank you, Dina, for your opening news. So now, my name is Sofia. I'm from Program Study Drama, Dance, and Music Education. I'm gonna bring the news from Congress AP2 Seni. Congress AP2 Seni, as known as Congress Associated Program Study Drama, Dance, and Music Education, based on wetland environment. With total of each participant 98 dance presenters, 20 children's songs, 20 dance creators, 14 arts learning media innovation, 14 monologue, and 81 Madihin workshop, and with many others presenters. And now, some material presented by Mr. Endo Suwanda. Development of Arts and Culture in Indonesia with contents multicultural art education. Art is space.
Baru di dalam
We need
melihat
a new
kesenian.
paradigm.
Jadi kesenian bagaimana
Mindset of art,
cara
basing,
melakukannya,
giving
itu
space,
tidak
documented,
bisa lagi hanya
and
atas
education.
dasar, teori-teori,
One province each has
seni
its
modernisme
own
barat.
symbol and identity.
Bagaimana kita bisa memberi
Their
ruang pada
prioritas,
kesenian
knowledge
tradisional,
over emotion
memberi
by
apresiasi,
means of mutual
penghargaan
cooperation,
dan
a
sebagainya.
shared spirit
Kemudian juga
to
bagaimana
form a new paradigm
teknik atau cara
in the arts education
mendokumentasikannya,
system.
karena sampai sekarang sebetulnya
Relationship
kesenian-kesenian
is used with
kita
one another,
belum
not
terdokumentasikan
separately.
dengan baik.
Art and
Sekali lagi,
culture,
selama
we meet
3/4 abad
static
ini
from time
kita
to
tidak
time
melahirkan
in
sebuah sistem
different from
dokumentasi
how
yang
they're
baik dari
mapped
kesenian kita.
politically.
Republik
So
Indonesia,
many Indonesian
maka sesungguhnya
culture
akan
has been
begitu
omitted
banyak
from
budaya
the
Indonesia
national maps.
yang dihilangkan
It's
dari
a part
peta
of the
nasional
dignity of
maupun
the people
provinsi, tapi
concerned.
juga maupun kabupaten.
Philosophy based
Nah,
on
padahal yang
modernism,
tidak dimasukkan di dalam
postmodernism,
peta ini,
and
yang
metamodernism.
tidak diakui keberadaan
Art education
kulturalnya di dalam
requires
peta
recognition,
nasional maupun daerah,
sensitivity,
itu sebagai
insight,
bagian dari
or
martabat masyarakat yang bersangkutan.
acknowledgement
Ya.
of
Jadi
reality,
secara nasional,
plural
ia dianggap
cultures,
rendah,
and
ya,
releasing
tradisi
denomination
itu, ya.
only. In a way of teaching materials, teacher training, and communication.
Akan menghasilkan
Nah,
nada
jadi 4/5 panjang kawat
2/3
empiris kita melakukannya.
66 66,6 nah, hampir
Ini panjangnya 1 meter.
Nah, ya itu dia.
Nah, sekarang 2/3-nya. Ini pendek. 4/5 panjang kawat, 2/3 panjang kawat akan menghasilkan nada mi sol.
And the next presentation materials from Dr. Dwi Kusuma Wardani, MPD, Program Studi Dance Education, Faculty of Language and Art, State University of Jakarta. With context, art learning in the 21st century. Learning concept.
Skala dasar
In according with him, learning is the arrangement
behaviorism.
of information and
Menjelaskan
environment to facilitate
Belajar
learning.
itu adalah perubahan tingkah laku
The
sebagai
concept
akibat dari
of learning
interaksi
is to
antara
explain
stimulus
the
dan
effort
respon.
made by
Semua
others to learn.
belajar adalah perubahan persepsi
Art education
pemahaman yang
is try
tidak
to
selalu
carry out the
berbentuk
process
perubahan tingkah
of
laku.
interaction between
Sebenarnya
student
karena
and
adanya
receptor.
perubahan persepsi
Choose learning
yang
methods
dikonstruk
how to
oleh
educate, express
seseorang dari
Art
pengalamannya
learning
sendiri.
is learning that's oriented to various learning process and then use various types of learning with some art materials to achieve skills in terms of knowledge and attitudes.
Ini berangkat dari mindset Bapak bahwa teknologi itu sama dengan alat. Jadi kalau pembelajaran menggunakan media yang menggunakan teknologi tinggi itu adalah pembelajaran modern, gitu. Padahal tidak seperti itu. Yang dianggap modern di sini itu terkait dengan soft technology. Soft technology itu diantaranya metode, ya, media, strategi dan seterusnya.
Now the next presentation materials explained by Professor Dr. Perry Rumengan, MSN, Professor of Music Analysis, Program Studi Drama, Dance and Music, Faculty of Language and Art, State University of Manado, with the theme Arts as a Scientific Work.
Yang digunakan seperti bunyi.
Science is knowledge about a file that is arranged systematically according to certain the methods can be to explain certain phenomena in the field of knowledge.
Yang lahir dari pengolahan
scientific work is actually the result of scientific activity, exploration, description, exploration, and prescription. The nature and existence of science is logical, systematic, methodical, and can be proven through according to the context of ground.
Sehingga menjadi hukum.
Art is the expression of ideas, names or types of art given according to means or forms of expression used. As sound is called music. And artwork are ideas that have been expressed that are born from the processing of elements and their characters. Art ideas can come from something concrete and can also come
menghasilkan
from
sesuatu
something
bunyi yang
abstract.
khas bagi
The
satu
process
karya
of the work of art as a science. Assessment of the scientific weight of the creator, scientist, and art exploration.
Pada bagaimana ia menghadirkan sesuatu wujud dari yang sebelumnya masih abstrak, imajinatif, dalam bentuk yang nyata. Sedangkan kemampuan pengekspresi seni itu ya artis tampil, mereka itu harus memiliki kemampuan pengekspresian karya seni. Dari situ kita bisa melihat bobot, ya. Nah, terus.
Next information explained by my friends Widya.
Okay, thanks. In advance, I will continue the explanation. Material from Dr. Elindra Yeti, MPD. What she said about the challenge and prospects of graduate of the ballot education, study program or performing arts. Main profile as educator or teacher who are expressed in the field of formal and non-formal education. Not all become teacher, some become character of dance, music, and others. But we are back to our education program as a teacher. Teacher by creating a comfortable atmosphere in learning. Teacher challenge 1. The technology sector believes that the current influential challenge in the development of processing technology which teacher cannot be replaced with other electronic stuff. 2. Social culture field. That is how the teacher attracts students. Arts, cultural arts subjects are divided into several, namely music, dancing, and others. Professional development of teacher, where teacher not only master the material but can also plan learning. Objectives.
Okay, thank you Sophia and Widya. for the information provided. I will connect you to our colleague Rahima.
Thank you, Dina. Good afternoon, viewers. I am Rahimah, is at the University Lambung Mangkurat Banjarmasin, Fort Kalimantan. Confident news. Evening of the culmination and closing for Congress AV2 Arts and Workshop, which will be held from the 23 to the 25th of September 2021. The workshop attended by 75 participants. Let's see together. Have a good time watching.
Panitia peserta, tepuk tangan semua. Para hadirin yang berbahagia, perkenalkan saya Dian Gavi. Melanda muda-mudi, budaya main game begadang sampai pagi, budaya TikTok sampai viral di TV, sehingga budaya kita akan lebih. Saya Ramadikin, cukup sampai di sini.
Ada pada diri kami sehingga acara ini telah selesai dan berakhir pada malam hari ini.
Thank you for report Sophia, Widya, and Rahimah who have prepared about AP2 Seni. So viewers, Nur Rahmadina Oktaviani with crew said goodbye to resign. Good luck with your activity. Good morning. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.